Hello, friends. Today, we are going to create this. Let's start. Open pixellab. Choose this triple sign, choose image size, choose preset, and choose YouTube thumbnail. Choose background. And choose transparent. And then, choose this plus sign, choose from gallery, and enter your own logo. And I use this logo just for sample. Adjust the size and position. And then choose text. Edit text, and type what you want. And then choose font. And choose Nevis. And then choose color. And choose black. Adjust the size and positive. OK, then save it. Save as image. Save to gallery. Next step, open KineMaster. Open an empty project. Choose 16.9. And then choose media, and enter the video background. Check first. OK, and then slide to the 1.1 second. And choose layer, and then choose text, and type what you want. And then select this to choose the color. And choose black. Adjust the size and position. And then scroll down and turn off the shadow. Choose the text again, and then choose in animation. Choose letter by letter. And for the time make it on 0.1. Choose the text again, and then slide to 3.3. And choose scissor icon, and trim to right. Let's check. OK, good. Next step, slide to 4.2. Choose layer. And enter the logo that we have made before in pixellab. Adjust the size and position. And then choose in animation. Choose pop outward. And for the time make it on 0.1. And then slide to 06.5. And choose scissor icon, and trim to right. Let's check. Okay, good, then export. Okay, thanks for watching. Click like if you enjoy my video. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon to make sure you'll get notifications for my newest video. See you.